Hello? Holy cow, where's this
dang.
going, Kevin?
I don't know.
Into a mine, a dead end? I don't know what's going on here.
We're gonna find out.
What in the
Oh,
world?
whoa. It's a train tunnel.
Okay, so we're out riding in Arizona in the desert. We're close to the Mexico-Arizona border wall right there. There's no road down there. But we had a flat tire. This is basically the third part to this video series here of us exploring this part. Oh, that's the tunnel we went under.
That's what I was pointing at.
That is that tunnel, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's what I was pointing at. That's a smaller tunnel.
That's the one with the creek bed. Oh, is that the little bitty one?
That's the one that you said you ain't going to ride under that one.
Oh, okay.
Because we're further down than that one, remember?
I'm hoping I don't have another flat here. So watch for things sticking up. Like earlier today, I was riding on this track. There was like a bolt sticking up, probably about 3 inches tall. Just a bolt with no nut on it, looked like. Sticking up probably about 3 inches tall. You hit that and it's going to go through your tire. That's not what happened to me. I'm pretty sure it was just my tire was low enough I hit a big rock back there and it pinched it on the rim. But it could happen, so you definitely, when you're riding on stuff like this, an old railroad, there is all kinds of pieces of metal and debris and crap that you can get in your tires. So
I'm pretty sure by now this is going to lead us straight to a creek bed, back to around where we were coming from.
wouldn't doubt it. Hang on a second. Let me catch up to you. That way I'm not back here in the dust. If I ride just to your left right here, I'll be out of the dust. You're good now. Oh, see, there's the tracks. That's not ours, but there's vehicle tracks. We're good now. Oh, what in the world are we coming up to? We're going to go through another tunnel or something. We're down in a dugout canyon here. This is really cool. But we changed the flat on the trail right there. So if you guys want to watch that video, that's the last video right before this one. And if I remember, I'll post a link to that video. Hello? Holy cow, where's this going, Kevin?
I don't know.
Into a mine, a dead end? I don't know what's going on here.
We're going to find out.
What in the world?
Oh, whoa. It's a train tunnel.
That
Look
is
at that.
crazy.
That's awesome.
Well, because this is the train tracks, so the train had to go through this.
Yeah.
Super, super cool. Uh-oh, they got it blocked off? Oh, I hope not. That is too cool.
It is blocked off maybe enough for us to not get through there.
Oh my god, no way. Hang on. Let's stop and check it out. We'll get a picture of this anyway.
Surely to God, we can probably cut right through this.
Surely we can make it through there. Oh yeah, we can make it through that. Don't look that bad, really. Check out this train tunnel. The train went through it. It's not just a bridge. It's actually a tunnel through the mountain for the train. Now you're on.
There we go. I disconnected somehow. I couldn't hear you.
Super cool.
Perfect.
Make sure I'm recording. Okay, so we're going to make it through here. Now, where we go on the other side, we don't know. This is so cool. This is actually a pretty long tunnel.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it's going through a mountain, basically. Probably going to be dark on the video for sure, but some loose gravel in here. They even took the tracks out from in here. Removed them too.
Oh, so cool. It feels nice.
Oh, it's like air conditioning here. I love it.
Yeah, I know.
Now what we got on the other end. I think the other end's better, ain't it? I don't see no big boulders. That's crazy. Block it on one end, but not on the other.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Unless that was just rocks that fell. You never know. It could have just been rocks that fell.
It's possible because that's all just a rock cliff. I bet it is. You're exactly
Did you
right.
see how most of them rocks are all broken up, like
Yeah.
they did fall or something? That's probably what it is.
That's exactly
Because
what
I
it
guarantee you, if they were going to block it off, both ends would be blocked because nobody's moving that crap.
Right, exactly. Super cool.
That was awesome.
Oh, let me mark this.
Should have pulled a wheelie all the way through that tunnel.
Let me mark this on the GPS here. Save this spot.
Well, that is freaking awesome. Yeah, see, and then we can just bring Scotty this way, and then we don't have to worry about crawling over the rocks or not. We can just go in.
Saved it. Train tunnel by border wall. Okay, yeah, but that's pretty simple, really, to climb over the rocks. I mean, they wasn't that bad anyway.
Yeah.
Even if you had to move some, if it wasn't the ones they put there and it was just falling in, you know, doesn't matter. That was so cool. And I can't believe how long it was. It was actually a pretty long tunnel.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Now what are we coming up to? A fence we can't go through? I hope not. There's a road there anyway, toward the border. Yeah, that's actually a fence there. No gate. Well, there's a road right here. It looks like it went right over to the border wall. That's what it looks like. What are you doing there, Kevin?
Too much spin.
Need some help?
It didn't spin all the way.
Yeah, you just buried you buried the back tire.
Yeah, I can feel it. I'm in a hole now.
Now, my gold wing has reverse, but your gold wing wouldn't be out here. Ooh. Pretty cool. Didn't expect to go through it. We went through some tunnels, but there was actually the train overpassed. There was roads under it. It wasn't a train tunnel that the train went through like this one. I hear you breathing pretty good.
Yeah.
Hopefully this goes right to the wall, I hope, but there's probably a fence. Oh, there's a road here, heck. Well, that's a turnaround. I see dust over there at the wall. Where does this go right here? What in the world have we found now? Off-road beast. So guys, be sure to click the thumbs up on this video if you like what we're doing or exploring. And make sure you hit that bell icon, and then when we put up a new video, you'll be notified that the new video comes up. So click the thumbs up too, because that does help me, and even comment anything. It don't matter if you just say hi, like, anything. Just put a comment below. That helps. We're hoping there's not a fence over here between here and the border wall. We can get on the border wall and right back out of here. Got my spare tube on the back, or actually it ain't my spare tube, that's the tube on my bike from having the flat. This road's been traveled. I mean, there's lots of tire tracks in this road. Oh, that's the track. Is that where we was at when they was working earlier? I bet it is. Look at here, look at here. That's what it is. That's where we went around them earlier when they was working.
Oh, yeah.
Super sweet. They even got outhouses out here. Heck, I don't need no outhouse. I'm a country boy. I go out there behind that bush. I'd rather go behind that bush than use a stinky old outhouse. These things here, they're putting LED light poles up here. High dollar, too, I'm telling you. High dollar. Light poles out here. It's crazy. There he goes. He gone.
Pulling a little bit of a drift around that corner. It was wide enough.
Ooh, feels good to get some air moving. It's not that hot today. What does it say here? 74. It's 3 o'clock p.m. pretty much. Man, this Arizona weather's nice for, what is this, November something? November 18th?
Yeah, I was about to say mid to late November.
November 15th, right mid-November.
The warmest it's ever been in November back home is like maybe 60.
Yeah. It gets to 70 once in a while, but it's not in Arizona. Not like here. It's 70s here every day. I mean, so far it's all 70s. I may get some cold weather, but it won't be bad. Yeah, this is that road where we come in on to that spot, so super sweet.
Awesome. Well, now we know our way.
Yeah, it's not even very far, actually. I mean, once we get to right there, we take the first left up in that little trail. Goes right. I seen that road earlier, because when we passed that spot, I was like, well, there's some roads off out in there. Earlier today when we come past that. So this is about a 45-minute drive from here, 30 something, let's just see, to Sierra Vista.
I mean, it took one bar out of my tank coming all the way out here.
Yeah. 49-minute drive, 41 miles to Sierra Vista. So a pretty good ride over here, really, on the DUALSPORTs. But it was worth it. We've done quite a bit. Done some extreme stuff. The second video back before this one is the one where we went up the stupid gnarly hill climb. It's one of those deals where you get into one and you wish you hadn't, but you're already there, so you just will do it.
You're already halfway up it.
What are you going to do? Do it. Do it to it like Pruitt used to do it. And he done it right.
Couldn't say the same for Ash Canyon.
Now, Ash Canyon, we never did make it. I ain't sure I ain't bound and determined to do it someday, but
I'd rather do it on like a actual dirt bike.
I'd rather be on a dirt bike. Okay, guys, we're headed back. We're out of this. We're just on the old nasty dirt road. So thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and click that bell icon so you'll get notified of all my videos coming out. Please comment. Just say anything in a comment, no matter what it is, as long as it's nice. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.